jumped up, pulled this down, pulled the clip down, didn't he? Crazy. They're crazy dogs.
Hey, Tara. Come over here.
What, buddy?
Are you playing with the truck?
You want to put up a train or not?